come to help. What are you doing here? I was playing a game. Can watch? Sure, you can watch right there. What are you doing anyways? You just want to observe from there? Yeah, I'll just watch. Just don't slip from there. Could be risky. What's Emily doing, guys? Looks like she's playing a game. Whatever it is, it must be fun. Fluttershy's down there with her. I hope she's not fainted. Oh yeah, she's just lying there. Oh no. So can I get a shot? I guess. I'm trying. Good job. Okay, try again. I suppose. Just try the thing. Oops, sorry. It's okay. See, you're doing it. No, I really am. It's frustrating, guys. She's helping her. So now you just have to shoot the green ones. Right before you do anything. What's this? This is where you can do anything you want. Oh, did you see that, guys? Fluttershy just do a power shot. Wow. Yeah, you just keep firing at Fluttershy. Just like that, yeah, just like that. Except that was the wrong color, but it's alright, you're doing it. It's your first try. You're getting the hang of this. Just, it's your first time, so just keep doing it. Emily. Yes, what happened to a little viper? And her, you know what happened to her? She, got paralyzed. What's paralyzed, Emily? Paralyzed is where you can't move. Oh no. You don't mean she's like the others, do you? Afraid so. Oh no. So what are we gonna do? Nothing, I guess, until we figure out what the problem is. Who's watching her? Oh, it's the newer ponies. I think they're looking after him right now. Do you think they'll get any better? I hope so. We all do, at least. What was the little viper doing at the time, Emily? She was down here. What happened to Baby Po? Same thing, but Baby Po died. What? For those the case. So Baby Po's long gone now? So far there's a new panda in town now. Really? Afraid so. What's that one's name? His name is Benny. His name's Benny. It's a mystery one, I guess. I thought she did it. She did. I wonder what's happening. I don't know, but Emily must have gotten something. It's like coins and such. What's that? Oh. I don't know, she's passed out. Crap, something scared her. I don't know. Another faint. Doctor, I just had another faint. This is I don't know how many faints we've had today. Put her over there. Sasha, guard that one with your life. Dang it. Humans keep spooking our friends out. What just happened to Fluttershy fainted? Dear. How many faints are we gonna have today? I don't know, but Fluttershy just fainted. Bring her over here. We'll take her in our care. Hope you can. Dang it, I don't know how many faints we've had today. You can keep her in your guys' care. Yeah, we can. Thanks, guys. No problems. Can't believe we've had another faint. Jeez, who did that? I think it was the human answer. Yeah, who is it? It's just you. Look how you spooked out.
What det teilen av aktivitet.
Yeah, well, don't spook someone else. Look how you got spooked out. See, look what you did to her. She fainted. Be careful. These guys are very sensitive, Sarah. You need to talk more quiet. These guys are very sensitive, you know. But have a good week and tell them nice stuff to keep it down, okay? Bye. Can you do that? What? Okay, whatever you just said, but... Okay, tell the next stuff to be quiet, please. Is she gone? Yeah, she's gone. Doctor, better take a look. Oh, God. Emily, can you get the medicine? And Fluttershy. Guys. Fluttershy, alright? Yeah, no, thanks. Emily. Thanks for helping me. Is she gone? Yeah, she's gone. Good. I got really spooked out. No, it's alright. She's okay now. Alright, thank God. Yeah, thanks to Emily. It's a good thing you're alright. It means you can. It's just the noise. Good thing you're okay. And you were sick there for a minute. Did you see any others get? No, not yet. No. What happened over here? He moves a bit, but he's still down there. God. And if anything else happens over here, you guys will do. It's gotta be better by now. I'll check you guys in the morning, okay? Jesus. She didn't move. Hey, girl, yes, what do you want for dinner? Doesn't really matter. I had this. I guess for lunch is fine. I really want that. Alright. Should you dump your coffee out or whatnot? I guess you want to. Alright. Kisses. Yes. Would you watch over them? I'm taking away out to their dinner. Would you watch over them for me? Keep me posted on things. Yes. I think you might be getting company, but I'm not. Hey. Yes. I'm not telling you not to go near them. Get over here. Get to bed. Sorry about her. I think she just wanted to see how they were doing. Keep those kids away from them. I'll do. And get my girl something to eat. I'll be right back. Those kids got near them. Let me know. And you children still asleep. Oh, great. I'll be back if I find any of you kids near those sick ones. I'll finish you for weeks. What? You've heard me. Stay away from those sick ones. Sorry, girl. Oh, it's alright. I saw him over there. You did you? We were over there a bit earlier, so had to try and stop him, but it was too late. Really. Really. I saw him near the other ones, but yeah. Can't believe all vipers passed on there. I can't believe she landed down the ground. No one can, really. I'm gonna make you some dinner. Can't believe she passed on right now. Both can't believe that. Put your glass there and knock out. You sure about this? This is dinner, yeah. Good point. Hey guys. Hi. How's the sick ones now? All vipers now. God. Tell her if she's awake to heal up. Will do. Night, guys. What do you want for dinner? Just anything would be fine. The fridge right now. I guess you can sell for some more. Since I don't really have much option. Guess I could go for some more. Alright, I'll get you some of these. Okay.